I think I'm gonna go to my gym in these clothes. The fabric is really nice, the material is very soft. This is the ripped crop top, it's very comfy, very light material. This is my airport look, and honestly when I saw this, iska set maine khud hi bana liya tha. I love the pants, I love the cut of the pants. They're called the boot cut pants, so you really need to go and grab it. Hi, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hira Khan and today I'm here for a very special collab with Living Fit Apparel. Recently, I've become this gym girly. I've finished work and now I can focus on my health properly. I have recently grabbed some pieces from the broadcast sale of LFA and I wanted to show you these outfits, how they look, how they feel, how they fit. So today, it's going to be all about that. Talking about the first outfit, it's going to be my outfit of the day. I think I'm going to go to my gym in these clothes. So the first outfit is the white rib set by LFA. It is very soft in material. I love the pants. I love the cut of the pants. They're called the boot cut pants. And for the tall girlies who are 5'6" and above, they have these special tall sizes. So I'm sure you need to grab these ones. सबसे पहले तो when you go to the gym, you need something which is comfy, which is stylish and which makes you stand out. तो I think आपका जो workout करने का motivation होता है वो ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. So this outfit is exactly that. Also, they have this nice cover up with it because when you're heading to the gym, you really want to cover it up, go to the gym, relax, take your cover up off and get ready to get into your workout. I think this is a very cool tone for summers, white and blue. It looks pleasing to the eyes and especially when you're working out, आपको खुद को भी अच्छा लगना ज़रूरी है. So this is the ripped crop top that they have. It's very comfy, very light material. These are the pants. This is the cover up and the length is also really nice. The material is super soft. I love it. Highly recommend it. Guys, this is the option number 2 for the cover up. This is the cherry cola jacket. The fabric is really nice. The material is very soft. So this is not just important कि आप अपने gym के cover up के लिए use करें. You can style it with your pants. You can head to the mall. You can take it on your flight. I think I'm going to take this on my flight because it doesn't feel like just a gym sort of a cover up. It is a jacket that you can style with anything as you please. Hi guys, so you can see your girlie is all ready. She is ready to go and take over the world with her outfit. These are the purple push-up leggings and honestly, I am in love with the color. Sabse pehle to I saw this color and I was like, listen, I really need this in my wardrobe. So this is the lilac airbrush tank. The tank is very airy, so I love it. It has this laser cut detail which has written LFA on it. And honestly, when I saw this, iska set maine khud hi bana liya tha. With this cap, I was like, what should I put more on so that the color matches? So I have my little tumbler which is with me and I think when I move out like this would be my outfit of the day. And I'm sorry I said it was the previous one, but I think this is the look. We are on a roll with this outfit. Since this jacket goes with everything, so I styled it with my Sage set and I want to show you the details of the set first. This is how it looks. It's full sleeves and you can obviously style it with my favorite cherry cola jacket. The color combo looks really cool, so I thought, why not? It's really comfortable. It is a full sleeve option, so if you're heading to the gym, you don't want to wear a sleeveless, this is the perfect option for you. The leggings are very high-waisted, so if you want to pull them up, you can do it. The top has a very nice halter neck detail, so it holds the full sleeve wali thing very correctly as well, and it hugs your body in the right places. So if you're working out, you're stretching, you're doing Pilates, I think this set would be perfect for it because it really stretches also, it comes back and the fit doesn't go off from your body. This color is also really in these days, so I'm sure a lot of girlies will fall for it. The fit, the fabric, everything is 11 on 10. Just a cute little tip, my headband is also from LFA, so you need to shop this complete look. Hi guys, so this is my airport look. I am heading out to the airport. Since I wore this, now I really need to take a flight. Style doesn't need to be uncomfortable. When you're comfortable in your skin, when you're comfortable in your clothes, you shine. Like I am right now. So let me break this outfit for you. This is the color block top and you can wear it at the gym, you can go for a coffee date, you can just casually wear it. It has a really nice detail over here as well. The white is really popping. I love it. Super comfortable, appropriate for any occasion. These are the black track pants and honestly, this has been my favorite track pants from such a long time now because wherever I go, this is my go-to outfit. This is the little fuzzy bag. I fit a lot of stuff into this and it's really comfy also, very lightweight, so you don't have to carry like a 2 kg ka bag and then put stuff in it. So the bag is very comfy, looks very stylish, and the LFA band. You need to shop the look, guys, because this is how it will come out. Sunglasses मेरी अपनी है, तो आप लोग भी अपनी पहनिएगा. So guys, this was my haul from the broadcast sale. Broadcast channel को join करने के लिए you need to go on LFA's page. वहाँ पे broadcast channel होगा, so you really need to go and grab it. Let me know your favorite outfits and your favorite looks. These were some of mine, and I can't wait to see you all in these outfits.